Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I have a beautiful new pink Gellac gel polish collection to share with you. Pink Gellac was so kind that they actually sent out this kit to me of the new Boudoir Charm collection. It contains 5 beautiful gel polishes and I just couldn't wait any longer to try them out myself, swatch them, and I'm already thinking of doing a design with these colors as well because I feel really inspired by it. It has that full-on 20s flappers kind of vibe to it. It is really gorgeous and I just love the way these colors look. Of course, I'm going to unbox them real quick for you guys in this video and swatch them all on a little like swatch stick or practice nail or however you want to call them. But first up, a little overview of all of the colors. I really love the fact that they have done another kind of special collection or limited edition kind of like wrapper around the cap. I really love that. I think it looks really cute and it definitely ties in this entire collection to just one big beautiful set of 5 colors. Of course, all of the colors that are in this specific collection are represented in that wrapper on the cap as well, which I think is pretty cool. They've also done that for a couple of previous collections as well. For the Island Wave collection, all of the colors were in that little wrapper as well. And of course they did come in a beautiful box, which I'm pretty much obsessed with. If you guys know me and you've been following me for a long period of time, you know that I am a collector or hoarder enthusiast. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. And of course become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as I mentioned, I'm going to swatch them all on a little practice nail and of course cap it all in with the Ultra Shine top coat, which is actually a no wipe top coat. But the first color that I will be showing in today's video is 304 and this one is called Radiance White. It isn't like a super stark white or anything like that. It is more of like a beautiful creamy color and it contains a ton of gorgeous golden and almost peachy shimmer, I'd say. Maybe it just looks a little peachy because the white is more of like an off-white than like a true stark white, but I think it looks really pretty. The only thing is that I would suggest to apply a really thin layer because it is quite a thick gel. Like as far as a soak of gels actually are thick, usually they are kind of like thin towards medium, but the gel polishes by Pink Gellac are always a little bit more thick. So make sure to apply a thin coat to prevent any bubbling or rippling or anything like that, because that is something that can happen if you apply too thick of a layer. But this color, I pretty much love it. It was already like 90% opaque with that first coat, but the second coat just made it so beautifully even opaque, just gorgeous. If you're like me and you like a little bling from time to time and you can't wear super bright colors or anything like that because of school or work or anything like that, I think this is a really nice wearable shimmery color. It is very gorgeous, and of course I have capped it all in with a layer of that no wipe top coat, which is called the Ultra Shine. The label has worn a little bit off because I've used it so much, but it's a really nice top coat in my opinion. Then the second color I am showing you right here is called Pearly Nude. It is number 305. Of course, every single layer of Pink Gellac products, whether it's the base coat, a top coat, or a color gel, have to be cured for a full minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV. So personally, I only use the Pink Gellac LED light because I just love that light so much. I've been using it for a lot of years now, and I'm actually on my second lamp already. The first one actually lasted me, I think it was like 3 years or something like that. It still works though, but it just become a little bit dirty. There was like gel polish all over the place in that lamp because sometimes you just bunk your nails in it. You forget to wipe it off right away and it just gets cured into the lamp, you know. But yeah, it still works. It's not like reduced in strength or anything like that. But yeah, I just switched it up to a newer one because I got some beautiful new kits a little while ago. So I was like, let's just switch it up. But that was a little bit of a side story to this video. Let's get back to the color because I'm already applying the top coat right here. This beautiful pearly nude is just a nude, kind of like a peachy salmony kind of tone with a gorgeous shimmer in it. It isn't super glittery or anything like that. It just has a nice subtle shimmer to it, which I pretty much love. I think it's really cute, really pretty, and it kind of has like a warmer undertone, which is gorgeous for fall. Another color which is perfect for fall in my opinion is this one. It is called Blissed Mauve or Mauve, however you want to say it. And it is number 306. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous tone. I wouldn't say it is super mauvey like or mauve-y like. I feel like it's more of like a mix between a burgundy and a pink. It is very fall-like, it is very creamy. This color doesn't contain any glitter or shimmer or anything like that. Actually, there are only 2 colors in this 5-piece collection that don't have any glitter or shimmer or anything like that. Which is something that I love because you can really mix and match with the different like finishes when it comes to this collection. And the colors just work together so beautifully. I love it. Especially this color, this Blissed Mauve color, will look beautiful with the color I just showed you before, which was the Pearly Nude with a slight shimmer in it. But I think it will look beautiful with the next color that I'm going to show you in a little bit, which is the Maroon Purple kind of color. That one is just gorgeous. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I am a true fall girl. Like, I'm born in fall, I love fall, anything to do with fall I love. The colors are gorgeous, even though I'm wearing neon pink on my right hand in this particular video. That is just because it's October, so it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so that's a little side note to that. I love my neons as well, but if I had to choose, I would always go, especially this time of year, for beautiful burgundy maroon colors, just like the color I'm showing you right here, which is the 4th color from this collection already. It is 307 Maroon Purple. I wouldn't really say it's like a purpley kind of color. I do feel it's a nice like wine red kind of tone. Of course, there will be a little bit of purple like underneath, like as an undertone or something like that. But I feel like it's more of like a reddish kind of wine tone. And it's just really gorgeous. It is such a vampy color, and I think that a lot of you will really love this one. The only thing with this color in particular is, just like the other colors from this collection, it can be a little bit thick in application. So make sure to just apply a thin layer or just 2 thin layers to make it completely opaque. But to be honest, that first coat was already pretty much like even and opaque, but I just prefer, especially if I'm working on my own natural nails, I just prefer to apply 2 thin coats, fully cure that for a minute, and then just go in with the top coat, or maybe even a little bit of bling, glitters, gems, and so on. This color, by the way, will look beautiful with any golden or rose golden kind of glitter. So yeah, I already have so many ideas just to work with this collection. It's insane. So many ideas, so little time, you know. But yeah, the last color from this collection is 308. It is Dramatic Red, and this one is the most like gritty, glittery one from this collection. Like the first 2 colors, the Radiant White and the Pearly Nude, had more of like a shimmer to it. It wasn't like chunky glitter or anything like that. This one, the Dramatic Red, does have glitter in it. It isn't super chunky, but it's a little bit more gritty if I compare it to the first 2 colors. Once again, it is a beautiful dark red color. It looks fabulous with that maroon purple kind of color, but it looks really beautiful with any other color from this collection actually. I have to say that I really applaud Pink Gellac for making such cohesive collections. I think it's really gorgeous. And of course, if you don't want to get all of the colors because maybe you're not into like that peachy pearly nude kind of color, just skip it. You can get them separately for, I think it's like 15 euros a bottle. And of course, if you do get the full set, you actually get it in that beautiful box that I received as well, which is pretty cool in my opinion. But yeah. One thing that I wanted to mention is that the Dramatic Red and the Maroon Purple actually can rub off a little color, so make sure to apply a decent layer of gel base coat if you're going to use it on your own natural nails, because otherwise they might stain the natural nail plate a little bit. So yeah, just a little heads up about that. But this was the full Boudoir Charm collection already. I really hope you liked it. Let me know what color is your particular favorite. Personally, I can't really choose, but I do feel like the Blissed Mauve and the Maroon Purple are so gorgeous together, and just maybe add some glitter or something like that. But yeah, I really hope you liked it. I'm really curious, of course, to hear which one is your favorite. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, do let me know in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much, and yeah, as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.